Welcome. In front of me is a Realme Note 50, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with the device. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. From there, you'll need to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, right over here. So grabbing your tool, pop it into the insert area, push it in, and you will see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, as you can see, and from there, carefully insert it back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing holding these cards in place, so they could, pop out of its position. Once you pop it back into your device, these cards should start working right away. So the device is already looking for reception, even though it's barely visible. You can see it right now, though that didn't find anything. And we do have notification about Samsung SD card, tap to set up. So as you can see, both of those are working just fine. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.